Hello fellow traders! In this video, we will talk about whether you can use expert advisors on your trading account. We will cover where EAs are allowed and not allowed, and important things to know when using EAs. EAs are allowed to be used on our Royal and Nice Challenge accounts. We are pleased to offer you the option to acquire allowance for EAs for the Standard Challenge as well, which can be done by selecting the option before completing the order. In order to maintain trade diversity and mitigate risk, expert advisors are strictly prohibited for the Rapid Challenge. It's important to note that the use of EAs must still comply with our terms of service, including our guidelines on prohibited trading strategies, copy trading from third-party signals, account management services, arbitrage trading, and grid trading. We advise caution when using third-party or publicly available EAs. Please ensure that the parameters of the EA you are using are unique to your trading account. Our system may flag the account for copy trading if the EA parameters are identical to the ones used by other traders, which is a direct violation of our terms and conditions. In such cases, an investigation will be launched, which may result in breach of the account. I hope this was helpful. If you have any concerns, don't hesitate to contact our support team for clarification on whether your EA aligns with our policy. Stay vigilant and good luck with your trading!